All right, in this video, I'm going to show how to use the hour meter on a Husky KTM or gas to use it for diagnostic purposes. So in this case, this bike actually just started running kind of poorly just a few days ago, and I noticed there's a light on here that'll flash FI, and that is actually a diagnostic code. It'll flash short or long periods, and the number of times it does that gives you a diagnostic code. For example, in this case, it's flashing 5 times, but there are other examples, like it can go 2 short times or 3 long times. So you got to look at it and see it. I'll show you this one specifically. So all I need to do is just hit the start button here, and then it wakes that up. You can see the light there. Comes on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it'll pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pause. Okay, so that gives us a code of 5. And in the manual, so this one's for a 250SX, but the manual will show you online for what you have. And you can see, for example, here's the one that we're dealing with. 5 flashes there. So it corresponds with an exhaust control actuator issue, which is super helpful, right? Because otherwise I would be starting from scratch doing all these diagnostics in other ways. So that is actually a really helpful thing to keep in mind if your Husky, KTM, or gas is not working quite right. Okay? Well, let me know if you have any questions. I appreciate you checking out the video, and please like and subscribe.